Hello everybody and welcome for another episode of Mister Bojangles. Well, quick update. You might have seen a few months ago what our planned route was for this year. Well, that one is now in the water because we had quite a delay to start our journey, about a month, and we just left now the marina again because we were away for 2 weeks and then we had to come back home for 2 weeks. But now we've moved on. We started our journey and we're looking forward to show you Holland. So enjoy this next episode and don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment if you have a question. So we're entering now Kalenberg, and it's located in the Weerribben National Park in the Dutch province of Overijssel. Kalenberg started to be mentioned for the first time around 1845, and it basically means bare hill. It is famous, it's known for the peat excavation, and it became an agriculture community a bit later on. It's a very small village, and in the early days there were only 270 people living there. Nowadays it's a massive industry here for tourism, because you can just hire a little boat and go through all the little rivers that is located in this national park. Kalenberg is also a classic sailing village, and in Dutch that is vaardorp, where boats were the primary mode for transportation for everything from cows to groceries until the late 1950s. And it's lovely to sail through it. They've got so many lovely houses here, and it is quite nearby the Dutch Venice called Giethoorn,